Alright, Mr. Logan Elliott. Sorry it took so long, but we finally got some more of this in. This is the other truck wash that I use with my aluminum cleaner, the wheel, coil, and fin cleaner. Yeah, okay. Try to focus here. This is made by, I think it's Etowah Chemical Sales and Service, if you can see it. And that's the brand name, SC-675. And this works really good too. It's not as caustic as the wheel, coil, and fin cleaner, but it does a good job. Try to get all this on here for you if you can see it. But I hope this helps you, brother. And it definitely will keep your truck clean.